Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a makeup haul. Your first time watching me or any one of my videos, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. You never want to miss a single upload, whether it be a haul or an unboxing or review or any of the wonderful types of videos that we do on this channel. Have some fun things coming up for you guys, so just make sure you stay tuned and click that subscribe button. And if you want to follow me in between uploads, make sure you're following my Instagram at YvetteLuvsBeauty, and you can subscribe to my family vlog channel right here on YouTube at Bradley TV. So let's talk all things makeup. The makeup world has been on fire lately with so many new amazing releases, and I'm so excited to show you guys some of them today. Now, in this video, not only will I be hauling some products, but I will also be doing an unboxing of my Boxycharm. I did just get my Boxycharm today in the mail, so I thought I would just slide it on into this video and show you guys what the August Boxycharm is looking like, because they fell off a little bit in the month of July, but I think they kind of redeemed themselves this month because this box seems to be pretty bomb. So I'm going to show you guys what's in there, and I do want to give a little disclaimer. I do have on some of the products that I'm going to haul for you guys today. I had to get a video out with a couple of these products, so that video is already up, and if you want to see it, click that eye right up there. It'll take you right to the video. But that's enough talking. Let's get into the products. So first things first, I'm going to unbox my Boxycharm. I've already opened it, but I want to show you guys what's in it because I feel like there's some good stuff in August Boxycharm box. So first things first is this Becca powder. Now, I've talked to you guys about this Becca powder I don't know how many times. I used mine up and I did not want to buy another one until I used up more of my products back there, my powders, but Boxycharm replaced it for me, so thanks Boxycharm. Oh, and if you guys are interested in Boxycharm, the link is always down below in the description box. You can go ahead and sign up and get yourself a $21 subscription box that gives you all this makeup valued at least like $150 every month. But anyway, this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is in the translucent. I love this powder. If you guys have been watching me, you already know I have raved about how amazing this powder looks underneath the eyes. I had the little mini and I ran out and I didn't want to repurchase, but Boxycharm saved my life. This powder I've been missing. It just feels so hydrating underneath the eyes. Like it feels wet when you put it on, which is a weird thing to say about a powder, but it feels wet once you get it underneath the eyes, and it's awesome. So love this powder. This box also came with this here. This is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Now, this isn't something that I would use right now since it's summertime, but since the fall and the winter is coming up, it'll be here before we know it. This is definitely something that I can use underneath my very mattifying foundations in the fall and winter time. My skin is like, I don't know, it goes from super oily to like combo oily. So in the winter time, I'm definitely looking for more hydrating products, and I love facial oils, so I can't wait to try this one. I don't know what I was about to say. Every Boxycharm seems to come with some type of liner. This is the Steve Laurent. What kind of liner is this? Is it eye or lips? I guess I can read the card. This is the Steve Laurent lip liner, and it is a like brown bronzy shade. Next up, we have these Ace Butte pigments. I think it's Butte. Is it Butte? I don't know, but I love that brand. They have some really great palettes, and these are like single pigments. They almost remind me of like the ColourPop pigments. So this is how they look. This one at the top is in Iced Latte, and this one is in Cotton Candy. Let's look at, oh, that is super soft. Those are gorgeous. Look at those. They have some of the most pigmented shadows that I have ever seen for that brand. Like, I love that brand. They have some really, really good stuff. And And then lastly, the Boxycharm came with the Tarte Big Ego mascara in black. And I have so many mascaras, y'all. I feel like every single subscription box, like every single month, comes with a mascara, and I need to start using some of these up. But this is how it looks. A nice big fat wand, which is great. I'm not gonna open it because I have so many open right now that I need to use up, but you can Google the Big Ego mascara and see what type of wand it has on it. And let me tell you guys the prices. So the Hydra Mist setting powder by Becca is $39. The illuminating oil by Wander Beauty is $42. The Big Ego mascara by Tarte is $23. The Ace Beauty Glimmer eyeshadow duo is $25. And then the Steve Laurent lip liner is $15. So you get all of those products for $21 in a box. So if you haven't signed up for Boxycharm, go ahead and sign up. So now let's get into the makeup. I got this stuff from Ulta as well as Anastasia Beverly Hills' website. I did save some coins and use my favorite cashback website at the moment, which is Go Cashback. So if you guys are shopping online, make sure to use my link down below for Go Cashback. Basically, they will give you $10 just for registering for a free account. So go ahead, create an account, and I'm telling y'all know I don't bring y'all no BS, and I love to save some money, so I love to pass those savings on to you guys. So I just want to let you know my link is down below if you're interested. But anyway, let's start with the stuff I got from AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com, and I think you already know what I'm going to say. Jackie. We got the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I actually have this on my eyes today, and y'all, I don't even know why I put it back in the box. Like, I used it already. Now I can't get it out. So this palette is everything. This is the first time I'm using it today, but I mean, it's so pretty. You guys, she put together just some beautiful, beautiful ass colors, and I'm so happy for her. Like, Jackie, I love Jackie Aina. I just love everything her channel stands for. I don't watch her as much as I used to, but I still love her, and I wanted to like be one of the first people to support. So I definitely picked up the palette, and I'm so happy I did. It's so pretty, and kudos to her. So I was on like Anastasia Beverly Hills website, and then they had like a special launch the day before it actually launched. Child, that website crashed so fast, and that mess sold out, and I could not get it that first day. I was so sad. But as soon as it launched the next day, I was definitely on their website trying to grab it. So I did pick that up. And then I also picked up the new ABH liquid liner. This is, I think, their only liquid liner, and it's in this cute purple packaging. It's just a nice felt tip liquid eyeliner, like just a basic black liquid eyeliner. Not that I needed another one, but I wanted to try it out. Anastasia is one of those brands to me that doesn't do much wrong. Like, they just don't do much wrong in my opinion, and all of their products seem to just work for me. Y'all know I'm a stan for these eyeshadow palettes, and I mean, I just love the brand as a whole. So kudos to them for all the new products. Speaking of new products from Anastasia, I did go to Ulta, and they also launched a new foundation and new setting powders. So I picked those up as well. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I got mine in the shade 410C, and it just looks like this. And that's how it looks. It just is glass packaging, says the word foundation on it, has a pump. I think it's just nice, regular, sleek packaging. People were talking about the packaging, but I'm okay with it. It is a luminous foundation, so the jury is still out if I'm gonna keep it or not. If it's too luminous, obviously you guys know I can't use that, but if it's I mean, if it's workable, I'm gonna keep it because I definitely want to have this in my arsenal. So I'm excited about this one, along with their loose setting powder. Y'all know I got a problem when it comes to setting powders, especially loose powders. And yeah, I got a problem. So I did pick up their loose setting powder. I got mine in the shade Banana. There are 5 or 6 shades. I want to say 5 shades they came out with, but this is how it looks. Like I said, I got the shade Banana, so it's just a very light yellow shade. And huge packaging though. You get so much product. It's pretty crazy. You do get a lot of product for your money, so it's really nice. Moving on, in my last haul, I did haul the new Urban Decay foundation and concealer. So I ended up going back to Ulta. If you guys saw the tutorial, if you haven't, I'll link it up here. But if you saw the tutorial, then you know the colors were just a tad bit off for me. So the concealer color was way off. The foundation color was just a little bit off. So I ended up taking the concealer back altogether. I didn't even exchange it. I just wanted to take it back. It was too matte underneath the eyes for my liking. And I just felt like, I felt like it almost caked up a little bit. And after I continued to wear it, it just felt a little cakey, a little heavy underneath the eyes. And that just wasn't my speed. So I took that back. And I exchanged the foundation for a better color. And this is literally a perfect color for me. So I think before I had 60WY, so I ended up picking up 60WO. So warm is the master tone and orange is the undertone. And this color is absolutely perfect. I knew I was really, really close. I just had the undertone wrong. So as soon as I saw this color in the store and I tried it on me, I knew this color was just so much better for me. It's not as yellow as that other color. So this one just works out well and I can wear this foundation. If you guys haven't seen my review, then you don't know. I love that foundation. So I would definitely recommend going and purchasing it. I grabbed 2 lip colors also from the brand Maybelline. These are 2 of their newer lip colors. These are the Superstay ink crayons. Now, again, if you guys have been watching me, you know I love the Maybelline Superstay matte ink matte lipsticks, the liquid lipsticks. They're amazing. So I wanted to try the ink crayons just to see if I would like them as much. Have not tried these yet, but I'm excited. I got me a nice little fall shade in the color. What color is this, honey? I don't even know. What color is this? Oh, it's color number 55, Make It Happen. And then I picked up this like mauve-y nude shade, and this one's in the shade number 20, Enjoy the View. And the nice thing about these is that you have the crayon, and then on the other side, it also comes with a sharpener in the same packaging. So that's really cool. You can just take this and you have the sharpener with you. You don't have to take anything extra. So I think that's really nice and innovative. I love that. And the last thing I picked up was from Pure Cosmetics. They came out with their Pure and Barbie collection, and so I wanted to pick up the highlighter palette. Wasn't really interested in the eyeshadow palette or anything else, so I just grabbed the highlighter, and this is called Dream Glow, and it's the signature highlighter palette, and it has 3 different shades in it. And I just thought this was way too gorgeous to pass up. From the packaging on the front to the actual highlighter, I thought this was just so pretty. Comes with a nice size mirror, and I think this is just so cute to like sit out on your vanity, or if you pull it out your makeup bag and you just looking all bougie, pulling it, yeah girl. So I thought this was too cute to pass up, so I did end up purchasing this as well. But that is it, you guys. That is everything that I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and let me know what you guys want to see in a video. I've been trying to crank these foundation reviews out for you guys as fast as I can. So let me know which one you guys would like to see next. And also make sure you're following me on Instagram, because I do a lot of product reviews on my Instagram. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, you guys. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine.